Okay, this is a video to show how mean I'm not being, but could be. Right now, the house we live in is up for sale, and we have an agent that comes in for open houses every week, and I've set up a PA system upstairs in our loft room. It's on the 3rd floor. And it's turned up really loud, and I have a laptop computer connected to it. And I've used the Teamviewer app to kind of VPN of sorts into my laptop upstairs. And I can control a bunch of scary sound effects. And I could be mean and wait till we leave for open houses and just start playing these remotely from anywhere with internet connection, or even just connected through our phone network. But I'm not going to be mean. Maybe if we had a better relationship with her, I would do this and play this joke and it'd be funny, but I don't think she'd take it very well. But here we go. This is what I would do. This is I'm on the bottom floor, close to where the agent would be sitting. This is looking up the stairs to the 2nd floor, and the sounds are on the 3rd. So, turn it up. That was just glass shattering sounds. Squeaking noises. I don't even know if you can hear it on the video. It's faint. It's only about a quarter of the way up too on the volume on the PA. But I didn't want it to be too loud to where you can tell that it's a PA. This one's called Dying and Crying. Most of these sound effects are Drew's famous sound effects. Very good sound effects. Very good quality sound effects. Heavy breathing. I think this one would probably be the scariest, just because it sounds like somebody's in the hallway. Like if I were to look up these stairs, it sounds like I'd be able to see somebody standing there breathing, but you can't see anybody. And then there's some Hallmark sound effects. Hallmark, I don't think actually made these sound effects, but it's because I've heard them through other sound effects companies. Violin music. I can pause or continue playing. Anyway. I just think it'd be a fun joke, but unfortunately we wouldn't be able to play it, and it would cause a ripple effect that would last for probably months. So, anyway, that's just an idea how you can play a little prank, or even for Halloween if you wanted to be able to scare some people or control the sound effects of your haunted house. With the Teamviewer app, you can actually control more than one computer. You just have to kind of back out and reconnect to the other computer. So if you have multiple computers hooked to multiple sound systems, you'll be able to switch between the sound systems. Theoretically, I could have a sound system on each floor in each room, as long as I had a corresponding computer to control it. But that's it. Hopefully it wasn't too long. Thanks for watching. Bye.